This is the final video of this pillowcase. Parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. See the links in the description below. So now we connect them together. So now I have a second one. The last row is not finished, and I join as I go, making a slip knot with a green yarn. And from a good side, I finished here, so I just go into this stitch, bring this together, the slip knot, chain 2, this is good side, and good side that one. Okay, this is the I finished. So now I'm going remove that hook and insert into the first one, stitch, get into that loop and pull through. Make a double crochet into the second side, make double crochet, make the loop a little bit bigger, remove the hook, and go into the next stitch of the first cover, into that, put that stitch on the hook and pull through. Go make double crochet into the next stitch, remove the hook, go into the first cover, next stitch. So we'll continue like this. Continue like this around. Double crochet, into the next stitch, pull through, double crochet, into the next stitch, pull through. Very nice stitch, double crochet, into the next stitch, and pull through. Continue around like this. Those are my last 2 double crochet stitches. And I'm leaving the opening to insert my pillow and then hide those ends as well. Now I left opening for my pillow, 12 inches pillow. And now I will continue without joining, just continue with double crochet. And this I will use buttons to close it, the pillow. So continue with all double crochet without joining, and I have very nice seam around. Those 2 sides are connected, and I used again the same pattern to crochet front and to crochet back of a pillow. Continue to the end, and then I will come back one more double crochet row. So let's continue with double crochet, and I left this opening just enough to insert the pillow. Once the row is finished, I'll make one more stitch into here, and then close the round with a slip stitch, just like this. Now chain 2, turn this work, and we'll crochet double crochet to this point for the closure. 1 double crochet into each stitch, these are my last double crochet stitches. Fasten off, hide the ends. So I'll have the buttons. I'll sew the buttons on this side right here, maybe 3 buttons on inside. I'll sew the buttons from inside. I'll get matching button and sew them inside. This is double crochet row, and that one where I get the buttons from the inside, maybe 3 buttons, and then it will button up in between those double crochet stitches. It will go inside, and this is gonna be the closure like this. The button is going to stay inside. This pillow is complete now, and I have the buttons, that button this way. Please let me know if you have any questions.